Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Virtual Skills and I am Latiful with you. Today I am going to show you how to remove any photo background with zero skills. I mean you do not need any graphics software like Photoshop, Illustrator, GIMP or any others. I guarantee you this is the easiest way to remove any kind of photo background and we will remove it within a second. I have already downloaded 3 photos with different background complexities. Have a look here. The first one is the simplest one, just on color. We have a white background here. You know on color background is always easy to remove. I have carefully picked the second one with a mid-level complexity. You can see it's black but not fully black. It has different shades like black, grey, a little reddish and blur in some area. And the third one I picked for you is the most complex one. You see, it's a multicolored background. But I can assure you any of these backgrounds will be removed automatically within seconds. Well, let's do it. Open a browser and search for remove.bg. Well, it's a targeted website. I personally use this site a lot. You can use this site and remove unlimited backgrounds without creating any account. But you can see this site has a price option. If you want full resolution images, then you have to sign up their site. The sign up is free with some restrictions. If you need a tons of high resolution images, I recommend you the subscription plan. There is another option, pay as you go. You can have a look on it. Anyways, we will work here without login here, as it is unlimited and still provides a good quality photo. We'll just upload an image here and the rest will be done automatically, as I said before, within seconds. And it's done. You just need to click on download. Now we go for the second one. Again upload it and you have to do nothing else. It's done. Download it. Now let's go with the most complex one. Just upload it as before. And boom, it's done. Download it. Okay, let's check the quality of the images that we have downloaded. Not bad. But if it is zoomed, you can see the edges are not so smooth. But I think it's still a quality output, without any skills, no hard work, and most importantly, without a penny. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and stay tuned.